Welcome to the puppet show. I am Bjorn. In today we got the Nightingale. You know, he's by the most famous Dane writer in the history of the world. It is Hans Christian Andersen. Now I go fix my oogle. You enjoy the puppet show. What a glorious day! It's the day I shall depart on my trip around the world. Oh, Hector, could you please bring my luggage? I'm all packed. Here it is, ma'am. Where shall I put it? Oh, you can take it right to the ship. We'll be departing soon. All right, but you're only allowed one carry-on. Oh, well then never mind. Okay, ma'am. I shall make do. I will bring with me that which is most precious to me. Donald! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I'm so glad you'll be coming with me. Couldn't bear to be without you. Oh, someone's at the door. We just simply couldn't let you go without wishing you a bon voyage. Have a wonderful trip, Isabel. Bon voyage, Isabel. Have a wonderful trip. Goodbye. How I love the ocean air. Oh, I see an island. Oh, what am I supposed to shout? I've quite forgotten. Oh, I remember now. Land ho! Oh dear, what is that coming up behind us? A tidal wave! Roll, roll, roll. Yes, Donald, I'm here. Roll, 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 roll. Well, we're shipwrecked on this island. Roll, 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 roll. Yes, I agree. We must go and explore. Roll, 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 roll. Come along then. Oh, this is the most beautiful bamboo forest. Maybe we'll be staying here forever since we're hopelessly lost. I am the Nightingale, and these birds are my people. Well, I am Isabel, and this is my little dog whose name is Donald. And we're shipwrecked here on your island. I don't know how we'll ever find our way home, although it is rather beautiful here. You must go to the human emperor of the island. Just follow the North Star, and you shall find his palace. Very well, thank you, Nightingale. And how do we find the North Star again? I simply forgot. Well, the Big Dipper, the lip of the Big Dipper points to the tail of the Little Dipper. That is the North Star. You'll always be able to find your way. Thank you, Nightingale. Come on, now, Donald. We must find the Emperor. Greetings, Your Majesty. Today you have a visitor. She is from a distant land and has been shipwrecked here. I think she will ask you for a favor. I will show her in, Your Majesty. Your Royal Highness, I am so honored to be here on the lost island of Shannana, and I've found it most extraordinary, especially the Nightingale. You are so fortunate to have this most exquisite creature in all the world. I've never seen anything like it.
Very well. What can I do for you?
Perhaps you could lend me a boat so that I might go home, and I will certainly return it.
Very well. I shall give you a boat. Bon voyage.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty.
Guard! Guard! Come at once!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What is this Nightingale?
Oh, the Nightingale is very beautiful, and all the birds on the world surround her.
Why has no one told me about this most exquisite bird?
Well, I think you'll spend all your time in the throne room.
But you know of this bird?
Yes, I like to go on my days off into the bamboo forest, but I don't have many days off. But when I do, I like to see the Nightingale.
Then we shall go. You take me at once.
Okay, I'll pack a picnic lunch for us both. Your Majesty, we have arrived at the bamboo forest. This is where the Nightingale lives. If we are very quiet, we will hear her approach very soon.
Splendid. Why, I think I hear her approaching now. The Nightingale is exquisite.
Your Majesty, that is not the Nightingale. That is a bunny rabbit.
Oh, very well. But I think I hear the Nightingale approaching now. The Nightingale, so exquisite.
That is not a nightingale. That is a frog.
Whoa! Well, I hear something. It must be the Nightingale.
That is not a nightingale. That is a dinosaur. But don't worry, dinosaurs here are friendly.
Oh, I think maybe I hear something again. This must be the Nightingale this time.
Royal Highness, I am so pleased
that you arrived at the bamboo forest. We are graced by your presence. Nightingale, this is splendid. You must come with me to the palace. I will put you in a golden cage and give you anything you want, and you can sing for me all day long. Do you agree?
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but if birds are put in cage, we cannot fly. We will be unhappy. We will suffer and cannot sing.
Very well. Then I shall come to the bamboo forest every day to hear you sing.
And I will pack a lunch. Very well, Your Highness. I am so pleased to make your acquaintance.
Hey, man. Hey, this is really cool here. Hey, I forgot your birthday, so I have a surprise for you. Hey, when you get back to your throne room, you're gonna see an electronic disco light show. I installed it by myself. Hey, happy birthday, man. See you next year.
What's that, sire?
That is the neighboring king from the land of Bebopalua. I hope he didn't wreck my throne room. What has happened to my throne room? Well, hey, this is actually kind of cool. Thank you, Emperor Bebopalua. Whoa! So, now we got the laser disco light show. The Emperor of Shanana, well, he don't go see the bamboo forest anymore. No, he forget all about the Nightingale. Instead, he play all day with his fancy schmancy computer light show. But the Nightingale, she miss him very much. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Excuse me, Emperor.
What is it? I'm dancing!
Emperor, I think you need to go outside and get some fresh air.
Nonsense!
You don't eat well, you don't sleep well. Since this technology light show came, I think you need to go outside. You're not well. You're getting sick.
Nonsense!
Your Royal Majesty, you have been ill for so long.
I feel I am dying.
Is there anything I can get for you?
My last wish is that I could hear the Nightingale song once more.
I will go to the bamboo forest and I will search for her. But it's been many years. I will do my best and bring her here.
Farewell.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I could not find the Nightingale. She was nowhere to be found.
Then leave me. Leave me in peace. songbirds. They've come.
Emperor, you are well once again.
Yes, thanks to you and your beautiful song, Nightingale. I was a fool to leave the forest. I will see you every day.
Farewell, lost kingdom of Shanana. Finally, we're home again, Donald. It's so good to be here. Now, good night. We'll wake up in the morning and call our friends. Yes, I quite agree. I think that we should have a tea party. Well, here is the tea. Yes, you may have some. And now, my friends. Isabel, we so missed you. Do tell us about your adventures. Oh, I will. We're so glad you're home. Finally, we missed you so. I missed you as well. Oh, Isabel. Only there's one more guest. My favorite cloud. I'm so glad to see you. But tell us about your adventures. We can hardly wait to hear. Well, the most wonderful part of the trip was meeting the Nightingale.
Now I'm going to tell you something. Once there was a real nightingale. Her name is Jenny Lynn, and she sing in the opera. Well, Hans Christian Andersen, he admire her very much, and he write this story for her. So maybe she would like him. But here she is, Miss Jenny Lynn. So, Jenny Lynn, tell us, what do you like to do?
Oh, I like to sing.
And when you have a day off, what do you do then?
I like to sing.
And so, where will you go next on your tour?
I go to sing.
Well, there you have it, Miss Jenny Lynn.
I like to sing.